guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing this beautiful face, my name is Jennifer, and I would really love if you would hit the subscribe button and join this ever-growing family. If you've clicked this video, that means you've seen the thumbnail and you've seen how my face was just a big horrendous mess, and you really wanted to know, how did she go from that to this? It's not perfect, but it's better than what it used to be. Then you've come to the right place. Today, I will tell you guys all my secrets and everything, honestly, it's no big secret. And everything that I did to clear my skin, all the steps I took to make sure to get to my skin to this point. I don't have a drop of makeup on, an ounce. I don't have no brows. I don't have no concealer. I don't have no foundation. I don't have anything on my skin is completely clear. And I just wanted to do that so I can show you guys that this works. Now, let me tell you guys this. Your skin will not clear up in 1 week. Your skin will not even clear up in 2 weeks. You need to put time and you need to be consistent. You will see results, I promise. A year is what it took me to completely clear my skin. Growing up, I've always had clear skin. I'm the kind of child that people always ask, oh, you know, they'd always ask my mom, like, what did you use on her skin? Me and my sister both, we had great skin growing up. It's when I entered college and stress started. When real stress started in my life, that I really started breaking out everywhere. And one thing about my skin is that my skin likes to scar up. One scratch, one pimple, one pick, I just pick at it, it's dark. Everything that happens to my skin turns dark. Like, as you can see, it's literally all over my arms, all over my legs. My skin turns dark at a drop of a needle. Or what do they say? At a drop of a hat. So, and I pick a lot. I just cannot help myself. And that's the number one thing you need to stop doing. You need to stop picking. Stop picking at your skin. At a point, I was tired of my skin. Like, my skin was horrible. Like, you can see for yourself. It was just horrible. I had scars all over my cheeks, scars all over my forehead. At one point, I was using this Clean and Clear astringent that burned my forehead. Yes, guys, that astringent burned my forehead. I was using it every day, and it burned the crap out of my forehead. In case y'all interested in what contacts these are the amber brown contacts from TTDEYE, and I do have a discount code with them. The discount code, I'll put it down below in the description box. Go check them out. So let me tell you guys what I use to clear my skin. You need to really buy products that will work. And when I say buy products, I don't mean go and spend an arm and a leg at Sephora buying Sunday Rileys and getting Drunk Elephant. No. Everything I used to clear my skin was under $20, all drugstore items, because this girl was broke. Girl is still broke, but I'm going to be rich in the mighty name of Jesus, because I'm speaking into existence. But everything I used, and everything I'm still using actually, is drugstore. And they work very well. And not really drugstore per se, let me just say affordable, under $20. So first things first, the one thing that I will attribute, I have like 3 different things I attribute to my skin clearing up. And the one thing I would attribute to my skin clearing up is the Biore charcoal cleanser. This cleanser, y'all, is the truth. Now, when you use it, there will be a tingling. Don't be alarmed. There's a tingling, there's a minty sensation. That's normal. That's normal. Y'all would really love it, and it helps to remove all the makeup from your face. Like, that cleanser was the truth. Do I use it anymore? No, because I don't necessarily break out anymore. I only break out occasionally, which is when I'm on my period. This cleanser is like the sole thing I'll attribute towards me ending my breakouts. Let me say that. My breakouts ended. Okay, now I really think it's because of the salicylic acid, which is inside of this cleanser. There's 2 types of acids. There's AHAs and there's BHAs. AHAs are alpha hydroxy acids, and BHAs are beta hydroxy acids. These 2 acids really help your skin, and if you really want to see a difference in your skin, you're not using acids, what are you doing? You need acids in your life. That's going to help you get rid of the scars and help you get rid of the breakouts. And when I say acids, do not be alarmed. Most of these acids are low doses. They will not burn your skin. But you need to be careful and really know what you want it to do. Now, AHAs are surface. Those are surface acids. These are acids that target tone, uneven tone, and scars. You know, these are acids like glycolic acid, lactic acid. They're things that really targets your surface. Now for breakouts, you want to use BHA. For breakouts or blackheads, whiteheads, anything that you want to really penetrate your skin, you want to use the BHAs. That's stuff like salicylic acid. They go deeper. They go into your dermis. They go into your skin and they remove all that bacteria and all that gunk that's causing your skin to break out. So after that, after the cleanser, the next thing I attribute to my skin clearing up is the Neutrogena Pore Refining. I'll put a picture right here. This, I'm going to attribute this to how my skin got cleared. This contains glycolic acid and it's exfoliator. If you want to remove a helicopter, you done? Like I was saying, this glycolic acid exfoliator is what I really contribute to the removal of my scars. Glycolic acid is a great exfoliator. You want your exfoliator to have glycolic acid. That's what I used. And also, I forgot to mention this. While researching on how to clean my skin up, I came across the 10-step Korean routine. And this is how I started everything. I got my cleanser, my exfoliator, my toner, and my moisturizer, my serums. So of course I didn't follow it to a T. I just kind of took what I wanted from it. Exfoliators are the truth. You really need an exfoliator. So cleanser, exfoliator, the top two things so far that I've mentioned that really clear my skin up. Third thing that I would mention, you ready for this? Is a company called The Ordinary. Let's say it together. The Ordinary. Go look it up right now. While I'm talking to you, you can switch to the tab over your phone and you wait and watch my video first and then go back. So The Ordinary is this company. It's under Decium and they have the best skincare things for an affordable price, y'all. So each of their things are like $7, like average $8 for each thing. And y'all, that's your introduction to acids. That is your introduction to acids, okay? I ordered from them the niacinamide and zinc. I'm posting pictures online. The niacinamide, the alpha Arburtin, the HA, BHA, and squalene oil. That alpha Arburtin is what really knocked out my scars out the ballpark. That's what really helped clear everything up. So I tell you honest to God, what I used is what I'm saying I used. I was using the Pixie Glow Tonic toner. That was the toner I was using, which I would not be purchasing again ever because I just think it's way too expensive. But it did work. I really will say it works. I'm just telling y'all everything I used. That way y'all can get that combination and use it. So I'm pretty sure that helped as well because it does contain that glycolic acid that's gonna really help remove the scars and help to, you know, take it away. I would say when you get these products, you don't want to use it all at once because your skin is obviously gonna purge. And what I mean by purge is that when your skin is getting new stuff to use and stuff that your face not used to, stuff that's really working, your skin's gonna purge. All those impurities are gonna come to a head. They're all gonna come to the surface and you're gonna be like, whoa. But Jennifer said, why am I breaking out? You know, you're not breaking out. It's called purging. So your skin is purging. It's gonna be like that for a good 2-3 weeks and then it will clear up. You guys will see it will clear up completely. This white lady walking by my mailbox. The last thing that I started using was a Cetaphil daily cleanser, the Cetaphil gentle cleanser. I actually bought a bottle of the gentle cleanser and a bottle of the daily cleanser, which I still have. It's literally almost done. But that gentle cleanser is the truth. When I first got it, I was like, what is this? It literally felt like water. Like, I'll put a clip in right now. Y'all see how liquidy it is? That was very shocking to me because I'm very used to abrasive cleansers. I'm used to cleansers that really just, you can feel it. You can feel either the tingling or the burning or the abrasiveness or the texture, but this thing felt like water. And I was like, what is this? But that's the truth too, y'all. That thing, my skin ended up loving it. So It's really all about what your skin wants. It's really all about research. You really want to research these different things and find out what your skin wants, what your skin needs. For sure, you need to introduce acids to your regimen. Introduce the AHAs, introduce the BHAs. I'll link a lot of what videos I watch. Just for my ladies. Hey ladies. If you're using makeup wipes, stop. Let me come closer because this is real. This is real. I want to be real with you guys. And this is sad because I know how much we love them makeup wipes. If you are using makeup wipes to clean your face, please stop. Let me say it again. All these cars. If you are using makeup wipes to clean your face, please stop. Makeup wipes are so drying. They're so horrible to your skin because when you're cleaning your face off, you're tugging at your skin. And then 10 times out of 10, if you came back late from an event and you're using that makeup wipe, you're not gonna wash your face, sis. You're gonna just go to sleep and lay down. If you want to clean your face, use this. This is the Neutrogena Oil Cleanser. This will take up all your makeup. Once you all your makeup, I mean every last drop. Let me tell you how to use it. You put it in your hands, you rub the oil in your fingers, dry hands or dry face. You put it on your face, you rub all your makeup off, you massage it on your face for a few minutes or for like 1 minute. Then you take water in your hands, you splash on your face. It emulsifies. You're not rinsing yet. You just put water in your hands and put in your face, you rub. Then you rinse. Then you go in with your cleanser. That's how you get your makeup off. Moisturizer. So I'm gonna just do a shout out real quick to my best friend. Hey Jess. So she's the one that got me hip to this moisturizer. There was a time I was using that freaking Clean and Clear astringent. That shit is just horrible for your skin. Don't use it. It turned me into a dry skin person, and I'm oily skinned. I had patches all over my mouth. I'd shower and put moisturizer on. 10 minutes later, this whole place was white. I'm like, what's going on? At a point, I'm scared. I told my mom, look. Like, I didn't understand what was happening. And she's like, okay, you need to that means put lotion on and Ebo. And I'm like, I am using lotion. At that point, I was using Lubricant. I didn't really know about using my own. Actually, I was using the Clean and Clear, the white bottle with the purple top. There's salicylic moisturizer, which is not moisturizing in any way, shape, or form. But anyway, so my best friend told me about this lotion called Pond's Dry Skin Cream. That stuff is the truth. That stuff is the bomb.com. Like, maybe I wouldn't use it in the summertime because it's that moisturizing. But in the winter time, baby, my skin loved that stuff. I love that stuff. I use it every single night, and my face felt so soft, guys. Like, my face felt so smooth. And then I mixed it in with my squalene oil that I got from the Ordinary. Oh, y'all, that was a match made in heaven. I absolutely love that stuff, and it's very thick and it's very moisturizing. So if you have dry skin, please go and try the Pond's Dry Skin Cream. About $5. So you guys, cheap, affordable. Come on, what else do you want? Cheap and affordable. What more can you ask for? And it works. Come on. I'm just here to encourage you. I want to let you know that your skin will clear. Like I said, it took me about 1 full year to really get to this point. You might see results in a month, depending on how your skin is. Like, I know for sure I started seeing some results in a month. I started noticing, I stopped breaking out. My breakouts I already had was going down. Okay, my skin was a little lighter. My forehead less congested. You'll notice those small things. But if you think it's going to be a magic show and that in 1 month your skin should be completely cleared, you're lying to yourself. Did it take you 1 month to gain all these scars on your face? Did it take you 1 month to have all these pimples up and down? So why in the world do you think it'll take you 1 month to clean it up? You gotta really go into the sauce. Go into the foundation of your skin and really start from there and clear that shit up until you can see it as a reflection. Then you can apply this to the reflection outwardly. Those scars will clear up, sis. They will not stay there forever. I thought mine would be here forever. And look, it's gone. Like, well, almost gone. But the main ones have disappeared. Like, the main ones have disappeared. The forehead is really still a struggle, but I have burned myself, chemically burned myself with that stupid astringent. Like, I'll post a picture so y'all can never buy it. I burned myself with that astringent on my forehead, and it's completely gone. Like, consistency is key. And that's in all aspects of life. That's in all areas of life. Consistency is key. I just kept at it every single day. That chocolate cleanser, I use it every single day without fail. That Neutrogena thing, I use it almost every single day. And I moisturize every single day. So, I want you guys to know that your skin will clear. I don't want you to be sad. I don't want you to feel like your skin is just a mess. But your skin is not. Your skin is forever changing. Nothing ever stays the same. Nothing is stagnant except for your height if you pass 18. Your skin will change. It will grow over time. Your skin can shed. At a point, I was looking in the mirror and hating what I saw. I started doing full faces to school. And like sitting now, I'm just thinking, how the hell did I do that? How did I wake up early in the morning and do full face of makeup to go to class? Ew. To go sit down in class with full face beat. God. Like, I was so ashamed of my skin. My skin was just a mess. I couldn't. And then even the days I'm like, I want to be confident, I still feel like the whole world is looking at my scars and looking at the pimples and looking at all that nasty stuff. You know, but it's natural. Everyone has it, and it will go away. Just be consistent. Don't give up. Don't give up. Like, what I always say to myself, my friends, is that the rain eventually stops. It never just keeps raining. Even the Bible, when it rained for 40 days and 40 nights, it ended up stopping, did it not? The rain will always stop. Always. So don't think you're going to live under that in pain forever. The pain will stop. So yeah, your face will clear up. You will have clear skin in Jesus' name. Like, I'm proclaiming it over your lives. I'm proclaiming it over my life. You'll be proud of the skin you're in. Okay? So that's the end of this video. If you guys are interested in my updated skin routine or my updated skin regimen, then I would definitely record that for you guys and have it up for you guys maybe in the next 2 weeks, 3 weeks, once I try those things out and see if it actually works. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.